Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Maxima key fob. First, gather all your existing key fobs and ensure all car doors are closed and locked. It's also helpful to have your vehicle's owner's manual nearby for any specific details. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming process for all your remote controls. Now, let's get your Maxima into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within 10 seconds. Make sure to fully withdraw the key each time. If successful, your hazard lights will flash twice, indicating the vehicle is ready for programming. With the car in programming mode, insert the key and turn it to the ACC position. Within 5 seconds, press any button on the key fob you wish to program. The hazard lights will flash once, confirming successful programming. For additional fobs, unlock and lock the doors using the driver's switch, then press a button on the next fob within 5 seconds. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it. Then, open and close the driver's door. This action finalizes the programming sequence. Now, test all your key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly. If any fob doesn't work, simply repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.